Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make yourself tired easily. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. So I will be going over a few methods for making yourself feel tired super easily. It'll be a full tutorial for beginners or advanced people in terms of whether you're a beginner at and you don't know anything about making yourself tired, or you're already advanced and you already know but you want some extra pieces of advice. This is a video for you, okay? Now let's face it, making yourself tired is something that we all take for granted if you know how to do it. I mean, if it's easy for you, you're probably like, oh, it's nothing at all. But for someone that is struggling with making themselves tired, it's a big deal. So hopefully these pieces of advice can help you out if you're struggling with that. So let's get into this. The first method, and you want to combine all of these, all right? That'll give you the best usage of these pieces of advice if you combine all of them together, okay? It'll give you the best results for getting yourself to feel tired whenever you want yourself to feel tired, which is most likely going to be at night. These methods and these pieces of advice are for basically feeling tired at night, because I'm assuming that's what you want. But however, you can change them up to make them apply to different parts of the day. Okay, so let's get into this. So the first thing I want to say is be energetic well before you want to be tired. Meaning, if you want to be tired at night, be energetic all throughout the day. You want to use up your energy throughout the day. Do more throughout the day. Or, like I said, you can take this and apply it to any time of the day. So if you want to be, tired at, 6 p.m., then guess what? You use all of your energy up at like 5 in the morning. As much energy as you can, use as much energy as possible at 5 in the morning, well before that time. So method one and piece of advice number one is going to be to use up as much energy as possible as early as possible in comparison to when you want to feel tired, okay? So that's number one, okay? Number two is basically the opposite. As you get closer to the time in which you want to feel tired, you want to lower your energy levels. So if you want to feel tired at night, then as you make your way towards the night, lower your energy levels, relax, calm down, and lower your energy levels, okay? Huge. Don't go and work out an hour before you want to feel tired, because that's going to be, counterproductive in the sense that it's going to energize you. So just number two, the piece of advice number two is, as you get closer to your tired time, the time that you want to feel tired, you want to sort of lower your energy and stay calm, okay? So that's number two. And I'll go over a recap towards the end. Number three, okay, piece of advice number three is going to be I'm trying to think, I'm doing this off the top of my head, and there we go, I got it, I remembered it right now. Method number three, piece of advice number three is going to be to wake up earlier. So, if you usually get up at, 6 a.m. and you're having trouble feeling tired at night, then wake up at 5 a.m. Make your rising time an hour earlier, and trust me, you will feel tired for sure. Eventually, it might take a couple of days, it might take a couple of weeks, but you will feel tired, okay? So that's number three. And last but not least, probably one of the most important things that many people struggle with in terms of this sense of not feeling tired when they want to is number four, which is to clear your mind. If you have something on your mind will be racing, and guess what? You're not going to feel tired. But if you have a clear mind, you're going to feel nice and tired, because your mind is calm, you're not thinking about anything unnecessarily, and you will start to feel tired when you should feel tired, okay? So those are the four methods, the four pieces of advice, and I'll just go over them quickly, once again, for the four of them. And I'll try, like I said, it's off the top of my head, so I'll try and remember. But number one is going to be, okay, these are the pieces of advice. Okay, let's go over them. There's four of them. Here we go. I'm trying to remember them. I got them. Let's go. Number one is to sort of use up as much energy as possible as early as possible. Number two is the opposite. As you get close to the later time in the day that you want to feel tired, as you get close to your tired time, you want to use little energy. Okay? Number three is going to be to wake up earlier. And number four is going to be to clear your mind. So essentially, use a lot of energy early in the day, use a little bit of energy at night, okay? Wake up earlier, and then clear your mind. Once again, just to clarify, because I feel like I went through those way too fast, promise this is the last time. Number one, early on, use a lot of energy. Number two, later on, use as little energy as possible. Number three, wake up earlier. as early as you can. Wake up earlier. Basically, push your waking time as early as you can possibly push it, and you will feel tired. And last but not least, number 4, towards the bottom here, clear your mind. Okay? So let's go. I did an up, down, up, down. So essentially, just one last time, just because that was really, really cool. Okay? Number 1, use energy earlier. Number 2, use less energy later. Number 3, wake up earlier. Number 4, clear your mind later. Look at that. That was beautiful. That was like a little bit of a show there. Anyways, I know I went over those a lot, but guess what? Now you have them memorized. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this piece of content, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And I truly hope that you enjoyed it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.